frustrating situations I found myself in as a software developer is when I feel like I'm doing great work, but no one seems to appreciate it. I might be writing awesome code, might be implementing cutting edge technologies and solutions, but people just don't seem to care. And so I wanted to offer a piece of advice for anyone else out there who feels like they're doing awesome work, but it's not being appreciated. And it's a piece of advice that I've come to appreciate after spending 15 years in the software industry, watching countless other software developers go through the same situation where they were doing amazing work, but it didn't seem to be appreciated. And this realization I've had is that it's not really sufficient to be just a great software developer. You can't just be a great coder and expect people to love your work. Instead, you need to flip your perspective and see yourself as a team member on a project that's pushing towards a goal. And to really understand where the project is going, I found that it's really helpful to understand why the project started. Software projects start with a sale. Somebody sold someone on something. A CEO might have sold an investor on giving them money, and then the company got funded, and now the software is being created. Or maybe an engineering leader sold the CEO on investing in new infrastructure. There was a moment of sale that happened, and that's when the project actually started. So I encourage you, if you're a software developer, understand why your project was approved. What were the end goals? Even if the project was approved 2 years ago, why was this project started? Because if you can understand why it was started and where it was supposed to go, then you can align your software development work with the project. Now, all of a sudden, your day-to-day decisions become easier. So for instance, if the project's only supposed to be a proof of concept that you're going to throw away, then you know that you don't need to spend 8 weeks investing in a super rock-solid infrastructure. It's just not the right solution for the project goals. By taking into consideration the alignment or the goals of the project and getting aligned with them, you'll find that your work becomes easier, it's more appreciated, and ultimately you're adding more value, which is why most of the great software developers I know got into this industry. It was to build and create things that other people use, that add value to the world, not just to write great algorithms. Sure, it's part of it, but I think that you'll find that by really considering where the project's going, why it started, and getting in alignment with that, your life will be much more enjoyable and you're adding more value. So hey, you should get paid more because you're adding more value, and who doesn't like that? So anyways, hope this helps. If it did, like, comment, share, or subscribe.